afternoon, welcome. This is Waec, year 2020 English Objective Past Question number 71, and the instruction here says choose the word that is the most suitable to fill the numbered gaps in this passage. So what we'll be looking at from question 71 to 80 is what we call register. So, and the register where this question is coined out from is from what we call transportation. So that is where this question is coming from. And to question number 71, hardly a day passes without news of terrible accidents on our roads. Most of the time these are caused by the ignorance and dash of drivers. I take it again. Hardly a day passes without news of terrible accidents on our roads. Most of the time these are caused by the ignorance and dash of drivers. A. Forgetfulness. B. Carelessness. C. Wickedness. D. Doubtfulness. We cannot say doubtfulness, so that is out of discussion. Then wickedness, because even the driver will not want to kill himself. Then forgetfulness cannot come in because we are not talking of students here. If it is student we are talking about, maybe okay, there's probability that they read and forgetfulness setting, or they forgot what they read. But in this situation it is the carelessness of drivers, so option B is correct. So one can say that hardly a day passes without news of terrible accidents on our roads. Most of the time these are caused by the ignorance and carelessness of driver. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.